Hi everybody, this is Melissa from the library. I'm here to show you another fun craft today, and I thought it'd be really fun to do a friendship bracelet for the summer, which I thought is a lot of fun. I wish I could show you what it looked like, but I have actually around my ankle right now, but it's super cute and you can use whatever colors you'd like. For this craft, you're gonna need a ruler, some scissors, something to trace around, preferably something circular. It doesn't matter what size as long as it's not too small. What is it? A pencil and some tape just in case, and some very thin cardboard. I used the back of a popcorn box or whatever you have at home, and then some embroidery tape, which is super embroidery thread. So this is around like 20 cents at Michael's or Walmart or wherever. However, if you don't have any, I'd be more than happy to provide some. So if you want to grab some at the library, I'd be more happy to grab that for you. So you're going to need that, preferably different colors, so that way you can mix them up and what have you. You're going to need 8 of them, so you're going to need 2 of each color, or if you all want it just to be 2 colors, you can grab, as long as it accumulates 8 in all, that's all that matters. And then that's pretty much about it for this craft. So what you're going to do first is you're going to want to grab your paper box, and you're going to want to cut a circle using your circular item. And then you're gonna grab your pencil, and then you're just gonna draw around it. Oh dear. So there goes my circle. Can't really tell, but it's there. And then you're gonna want to cut it out using your scissors. So then going to cut around your circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. There's your circle. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab your ruler, and you're going to draw a line right down across it. So then try to make it as center as possible. Because it really does it really is like the integrity of your circle. So there's one. Then you're gonna draw another one down the middle, and it's gonna look as such. And then you're gonna want to do that again, because in all you're gonna have 8 lines in all. So then we're gonna do our other one, and that should make 8 lines in all. So it should look something like this, like a little star. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to grab your scissors, and you're going to cut inside. I'm so sorry. It's a fun day at the library. And then you're going to want to cut inward. You wouldn't want to cut all the way in, because it'll mess up the inside. But you want to cut the inside in. And that's pretty much about it for this part of it. So we're going to do the zoom in next, so you guys can see a little bit better, because it gets a little bit more complicated from here. So we're just going to do a zoom in. So then I'll see you in a few. Okay, so I'm back now. So what you're going to want to do is that you're going to want to grab, so I actually made a mistake. Instead of 8, you're going to actually only use 7 of your strips. So you can get rid of one of your colors. I'm going to use one of the colors that's my least favorite, which is this pink one. I'm just going to set it aside. So with your 7 strips that you have, you're going to want to grab your little circle that we made in the first step. I really didn't like how my first one came out, so I'm just going to, as you can tell, it's a little bit off center, which kind of messes a little things up. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use my one that I had already made. As you can tell, I got kind of like ripped and stuff, so I put tape around it to secure it. So what I did is that I made a hole down in the middle. I used my scissors, but you can also use your pencil to draw the hole in. I would really recommend using a parent or guardian to do that for you, because it sometimes can get a little bit sharp. So what you want to do is you're going to want to grab the end of one of the ends of your 7 strings, and you're going to place them inside the hole as such. So, and then what you want to do is you're going to want to leave a little bit out, so that way you can make a knot. So you're going to place it around your finger and draw the string in, and knot it. once you made the knot, you can go ahead and pull it through as such. And then there it goes. The next step that you want to do is you're going to want to grab, what I would really recommend is numbering all the different lines on here so you don't get mixed up. So what I did is that you're going to do number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 as such right here. So what you want to do is you're going to want to grab one of your color string and then just place it around any color, any number. So I did that one through number 3, that one through number 4. What you want to do is you want to leave number 7 open because that's, number 8 open because that's the one that you're going to, start with. So then as you can tell, I'm just stripping them through any number that I have with the exception of number 8. So we're just gonna pull them through using our colors in. So we're just gonna pull them through as such. Said make sure that you don't put one through number 8. You wanna leave that one blank. So at the end, it should look something like this, where you have different strings within different slots, and with the number 8 being open at the top. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna want to put number 8 facing upward, and then what you wanna do is that you're gonna slide 2 of them down, up. So 8 minus 2 is 5. So you're gonna grab the number that it says number 5 at, and you're gonna grab it, and then you're gonna put it at number 8. As such. So now you have the slot number 5 open. So, and then now you're gonna wanna do 5 minus 2 backwards, so that is 2. So you're gonna grab number 2, and then put it at the number 5 slot. So now number 2 is open. Number 2 is open, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna grab 2 minus 2 backwards. So that one is number 7. So you always skip 2 and you move forward. You can tell it takes like a while to get used to, but once you get the hang of it, it's super easy, and then anybody can do it, and it's really, really easy. The idea is that you just want to keep this inside the slot. So, and I forgot to mention, you're gonna want to do it, you can number it from the inside out where like the hole is at, or you can do it through the back side. Either one is okay as long as the numbers match. And that's pretty much about it. So I'm gonna use my back side because it'll make it a lot easier to see it. So I'm gonna do this facing upward. So number 3 is open. So then we're gonna do backwards, number 1. Not number 1, number 8. So we're gonna grab the number, and then we're gonna grab it, put it forward. So now number 8 is open. So now we're gonna grab number 5 because those are 2 steps backwards. And then we're gonna put it at number 8. So now number 5 is open. So we're gonna do 4, 3, 2. So we're gonna grab number 2 and put it in the slot of number 5. Now number 2 is open. So now we're gonna go back 2, 1, 8, and then we'll grab number 7, the color number 7, and then we're gonna put it at number 2. I hope that makes sense. It's just kind of like a pattern. So now number 7 is open. So we're gonna go back 2. So 6, 5, and then we're gonna grab number 4, and then we're gonna go back to number 7. So now number 4 is open. So we're gonna go back 3, 2, and then we're gonna grab number 1, and And then we're going to place that forward at number 4. So it's kind of like you're jumping, trying to jump ahead. So then now number 1 is open. So you're going to want to go 8, 7, and then 6. You're going to grab the string at number 6 and you're going to want to put that at number 1. Now number 6 is open. So you're going to go back 5, 4, and then number 3, you're going to grab number 3 and you're going to put it towards the top. Just make sure it's going. Okay, cool. Now number 3 is going open. So you're going to go back 2, 1, and then 8. And you're going to put it at number 3. So gradually you should start building. You'll notice on the bottom, it'll start building it. Slowly but surely, it'll start building it towards the end. It takes a little bit of time to get used to it, but once you get used to it, it'll start building and forming your little friendship bracelet. It just takes a while to kind of like get everything together. But yeah, so now number 5 is open. So you're gonna wanna go back 7, 6, and then you're gonna grab the one at number 5. And then put it at number 8. Then number 5 is open, and so you're gonna go 4, 3, and 2. Then grab this one, and then put it at number 5. So like I said, it takes some time getting used to it, but once you get used to it, it'll start forming gradually, which is so nice. It just takes some time, and like I would recommend doing this at home when you're a little bit bored. But remember, wherever empty spot you're at, so right now we're at number 2, you're going to want to go back. So 1, 8, and then you grab number 7 and you put it up here. So it's always like you're skipping and putting backwards. So I'm going to finish this craft and then I'm going to go ahead and piece them together for you. So I just finished it and this is what my bracelet looks like. So it looks super cute. As you can tell, the colors are a little bit different because the other one is going to take me a while to finish. But I did want to show you the one that I had finished prior, and it's just this very simple kind of crisscross thing, and you can put it around your wrist, you can put it around your ankle. That's what I had it around my ankle, and they typically last pretty long. I've had this for about a week or so, so once you get it done, it's all good, and then it looks super nice, and I like these colors because they remind me of summer. But yeah, this is kind of the finished product. This is how it looks. So I really hope, and then as you can tell, it is pretty long. My ankle's really not this big, but when you have a lot of string left over, then you can do as such. So, like I said, you didn't have, once you're finished at the end, all you do is tie, pull it out of the little circle and then tie a knot at the end like such, like you did at the beginning, and then you're done. And then you just put it around your ankle or do whatever it is that you got to do, and then you have a really fun bracelet that you can share with your friends, or you can use it yourself. I'm going to put it around my ankle like I just did. But yeah, I hope you like this craft, and I'm sure I'll see you again.